Getting all those on video? I'll give you my number.
Back over. So Tommy, if you head down near the end of the track, we have to get our other official down at the other end. Dennis should be down at the other end of the racetrack. Again, everyone please stay back from the racetrack area with our two ladies are crossing.
It was bad enough when I went over the freaking jumps up in...
Once again, we need you up in the grandstand area while this event is going on. All right, if we can do that test, Bob Robbins, with the RII system. All right. All right, once again, everyone in your seats. Again, a little race here. Bob Robbins, Tommy Peters, then you can beat them side by side. We're going to go to the countdown on 10, so we're going to see what happens. 10, 9, 8. 7, 6, 5, 4. He definitely got a jump. He doesn't deserve that win. What do you guys think? Tell me he deserves that win. Out here blowing a few donuts. Demolished in the front of his car.